Happy February, superstars. It's Magi Helena. Here's the astrological forecast for February 2020, including Valentine's Day and all 6 astrology dimensions. I'm the only woman and one of only 2 certified level 4 Magi astrologers, the highest level, and I've helped thousands of people across the U.S. and in 40 countries worldwide to understand how to use their personal right timing to help them achieve love and success. Please subscribe here on YouTube and then click that bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos drop. February is only a so-so month with only a few good days and lots of bad ones. So for the best possible outcomes, you'll need to be careful and cherry pick the days you choose for important new beginnings. Please write cherry pick February days in the comments below. In the long run of worst days in February, Sun is slam dancing with the ball and chain Saturn-Neptune midpoint either in the geocentric longitudes or the geodeclinations, or both in an eclipse. In Helio 12, Earth is in clashes with Saturn, Mars, the Saturn-Pluto midpoint, and the Saturn-Neptune midpoint. In Helio Zodiac 7, Earth repeats some of these clashes and also forms a symmetrical long-term downer triangle with Neptune and Lilith. In the Helio latitude, Saturn is peaking in an exact parallel with Earth. These are tough days to feel upbeat or hopeful, and very poor days to start anything new or meet anyone new. In the longest run of best days in February, which includes Valentine's Day, Sun is conjunct the Jupiter-Chiron Cinderella midpoint in Geo 12. In Helio 12, Earth is enhanced by Pluto and in a grand trine with financial planet Eris and strategic Pallas. In Helio Zodiac 12, Earth is in a fortress with Mercury, Neptune, and Ceres. This would be especially helpful for anyone in a creative field and ups the verbal and poetic romance of these days. Earth and Ceres are also synced in a symmetrical triangle with the Venus-Chiron Cinderella midpoint, which creates an apex for the fortress and adds even more good fortune and romance. Late in the month, a pair of best days have Sun enhanced by Mercury and financial planet Midas in a conjuncted trine in Geo 12. In the geodeclination, Sun is parallel the Jupiter-Chiron Cinderella midpoint and contraparallel Venus. In Helio 12, Earth is in a grand trine with Uranus and Quaoar and is also enhanced by Chiron. In the latitudes, Earth is powerfully enhanced by a peaking Jupiter parallel Earth. Click the link below to see the specific best and worst days for February 2020. I'm offering great Valentine specials on personal love astrology calendars and love compatibility reports from February 13th through the 19th. Get 30% off with this code, LOVE30. See the links below. I hope this video helps you plan your month. If you liked this video, please click like. Thank you. If not, click dislike. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please visit me on MagiHelena.com for info on your personal best and worst timing, how to understand your relationships, and more. Get there now by texting astrology to 51555. Here's wishing you a fabulous February.